Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me, your own sister? For 3 years now, I have seen you through school. I'm just asking you for some months away. Is that too much to ask?
Sister, why are you bothering yourself? That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just leaving your house for a while.
Efe, you are angry. For 2 days now, Ejiro will not talk to me. Why are you people doing this to me?
You sit there, you waste time. Make we go time down the go, John. What happened? Why you dey hold me now? Eh? You say me will come out for your house. Now we won't come out, you dey cry. Me no go understand which one where you dey. Okay, name. You say make we dey go, you dey cry. You say make we no stay here, make we no go. Which one you want make we do now? Eh? No worry yourself, oh. I don't come beside you come. I don't go back for you. Now movement like this, so. No worry yourself. Stay for your ass now. What do you want? You say make we dey go now. Why you come dey beg?
Ejiro.
Leave them to go. Leave them to go. These people are so disrespectful and ungrateful.
They are my siblings.
If it's me, I would have slapped out their dirty mouth. Nonsense. Stop crying. Stop crying.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.